Healthy diet plan for weight loss. Hello guys, today we come up with the hottest topic of this generation. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is going to be about healthy diet plan for weight loss. Let's get right into the video. In order to have a healthy and balanced diet that favors weight loss, it is necessary to make some changes in eating habits and adopt some simple strategies that allow you to increase the feeling of satiety, reduce hunger and accelerate metabolism. However, when you want to lose weight, the ideal is to seek the guidance of a nutritionist so that, through a complete evaluation, a nutritional plan can be drawn up adapted to the needs and goals of the person, allowing weight loss to be maintained over time, and the accordion effect is avoided. These tips will help you have more freedom in your diet and prepare healthier meals to lose weight. Number 1. The basis of lunch and dinner is vegetables. Vegetables should always be the main portion of lunch and dinner, as they will give you more satiety and have few calories, which favors weight loss. The portion should vary between 1 to 2 cups of raw vegetables or 1 cup of cooked vegetables. In addition, vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which help improve the functioning of the intestine, favoring the health of the intestinal microbiota, improving metabolism and helping to detoxify the body, providing energy, and increasing the feeling of well-being. Number 2. Consume small portions of carbohydrates. It is recommended to consume small portions of carbohydrates, preferably whole, at each meal, such as slices of bread, pasta, rice, farofa, cakes, and tapioca. As the amount that should be consumed varies from one person to another, it is possible to start by progressively decreasing the portions that are consumed. That is, if you normally consume 6 tablespoons of rice, you will consume 5 and then 4. It is also possible to replace wheat flour with other types of flour that contain a greater amount of fiber to prepare pancakes, pastries, and cakes, such as oat, coconut, or almond flour. Number 3. Snacks should also have protein. It is very common for most people to eat only fruit, toast, or bread with coffee for snacks, for example, but the ideal would be to vary more and bring protein to these meals as well, as they spend more energy to be digested and increase satiety. So, good examples of snacks are eating 1 slice of whole grain bread with 1 egg and 1 slice of cheese, eating plain yogurt with a handful of walnuts, making a whole wheat pancake with banana, cinnamon, and oatmeal, or making a fruit smoothie with a handful of almonds. Number 4. Include olive oil, nuts, and seeds. These foods are rich in good fats and omega-3, which have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant action and increase satiety, helping the body to function better. This group also includes foods such as avocados, coconuts, peanuts, almonds, peanut butter, and walnuts. To include them in the diet, a teaspoon of olive oil can be added to the lunch and dinner plate. In snacks, you can consume 1 fruit with 10 units of nuts or 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Smoothies can also be prepared with avocado and added to flax, chia, or pumpkin seeds, for example, in salads or cereals, in egg or yogurt. Number 5. Fruit has a limit, don't overdo it. Despite being healthy, fruits also have calories and some are easily digested. So, instead of eating 2 or 3 fruits in a single meal, it is better to eat 1 fruit with 1 handful of nuts, for example, or with natural yogurt, as this adds good fats and proteins, making the meal more nutritious. The ideal is to consume the fruits in their pure form, without being in the form of juice, because in this way it is possible to have the greatest amount of fiber, helping to maintain the health of the intestine and increase the feeling of satiety. It is recommended to consume 2 to 3 servings of fruit a day. Number 6. Drink water daily. It is important to consume 2 to 2.5 liters of water per day. The ideal is not to consume liquids together with the food to avoid filling and not to consume the corresponding portions of the meals. An excellent option is to drink water with lemon, as it helps to cleanse the palate and reduce the desire to eat a lot of sweets. Number 7. Consume low-fat proteins. Protein is important for the weight loss process as it helps to increase satiety and favors the formation of muscle mass. Therefore, the idea is to include white meats such as skinless chicken and turkey, fish, and, in the case of red meats, give preference to lean cuts in your daily diet. In addition, it is also important to consume eggs, low-fat white cheese such as ricotta or mozzarella, and skimmed milk and dairy products. Other foods that are also rich in protein are legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, for example, combined with rice guarantees a good amount of protein. Breakfast. Day 1. Unsweetened black coffee plus wholemeal toast with 2 tablespoons of ricotta with oregano and 1 scrambled egg. Breakfast Day 2. Unsweetened black coffee plus 30 grams of granola with 1 cup of coconut or almond milk plus half cup of strawberry. Breakfast Day 3. 1 cup coffee with unsweetened skim milk plus 1 medium banana oatmeal pancake with 1 tablespoon cocoa butter. Morning Snack Day 1. 2 slices of melon plus 10 units of cashew nuts. Morning Snack Day 2. 1 banana, mashed with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and a little cinnamon. Morning Snack Day 3. 2 slices of papaya with 1 teaspoon of chia. Lunch and Dinner Day 1. 1 grilled chicken breast fillet accompanied by 3 tablespoons of brown rice with 2 tablespoons of beans plus 1 cup of vegetables sautéed in olive oil plus 1 pear. Lunch and Dinner Day 2. 1 fish fillet with tomato and onion in the oven plus 1 peach. Lunch and Dinner Day 3. 1 cubed turkey breast fillet sautéed with vegetables and quinoa plus 1 apple. Afternoon Snack Day 1. 1 natural yogurt with 1 spoon of honey plus 10 units of peanuts. Afternoon Snack Day 2. 1 cup of ginger tea plus 2 wholemeal toast and 2 tablespoons of mashed avocado, with onion, tomato, pepper, and a little nutmeg. Afternoon Snack Day 3. 1 serving of unsweetened fruit gelatin plus 6 nuts. The amounts included in the menu vary according to age, gender, physical activity, and whether you have any associated disease or not, so the idea is to seek guidance from a nutritionist so that a complete assessment is carried out and a nutritional plan is drawn up suitable for the needs of the patient needs. In addition, to accelerate weight loss, it is also important to practice physical activity regularly, such as walking, running, swimming, or dancing, for example, and performing the activity for 30 to 60 minutes, at least 3 times a week. I hope you guys like this video. Let us know in the comment below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to get notifications of more videos. See you in the next video.